Today's topic, synthetic division. Example, divide 3x cubed plus 11x squared plus 6x minus 7 by x plus 2. We are going to use synthetic division. In using the synthetic division, the first thing to do is to write the terms of the dividend in descending order. Let us look at the terms of the dividend. 3x cubed, positive 11x squared, positive 6x, negative 7. We can see that the exponents of the variables are already in descending order. The next thing to do is to look at the divisor. The divisor should be a linear binomial. X plus 2 is linear and it is a binomial. Next, we are going to copy the numerical coefficients of the terms of the dividend, but we are going to omit all variables and exponents. Let's do that. 3, 11, 6, negative 7. Next, equate the divisor to 0 and solve for x. The divisor is x plus 2. So we are going to equate x plus 2 to 0. We are going to solve for x. Transpose positive 2 to the other side and change its sign. So we have x is equal to negative 2. Write negative 2 to the left of 3. Then draw a line. Copy 3 below the line. So 3. And then multiply 3 by negative 2. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Write negative 6 below 11. So negative 6. And then add 11 plus negative 6 is positive 5. And then multiply positive 5 by negative 2. Negative 2 times positive 5 is negative 10. Write negative 10 below 6. And then add positive 6 plus negative 10 is negative 4. And then multiply negative 4 by negative 2. Negative 2 times the negative 4 is positive 8. Write positive 8 below negative 7. And then add negative 7 plus positive 8 is equal to positive 1. This last number, which is 1, is the remainder. The first three numbers, which are 3, 5, and negative 4, are the numerical coefficients of the terms of the quotient. So the quotient is 3x squared plus 5x minus 4 plus 1 over the divisor of x plus 2. Notice that the exponent of x in the first term of the quotient is 1 less than the exponent of x in the first term of the dividend. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. This is understood to be x raised to 1. And then this is negative 4 times x raised to 0. This is understood to be 1 minus 1, 0. So this is the quotient.